If your feet feel numb, tingly, or like they're wrapped in cotton the moment you wake up, I need you to know something important. That is not just getting older. That is your blood flow shutting down. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a 7-minute ritual you can do tonight that has helped seniors restore feeling to their feet, sometimes in just a few weeks. Nerve damage in the feet, doctors call it peripheral neuropathy, affects nearly half of all adults with diabetes and a large number of seniors without diabetes too, according to research published in the journal Diabetes Care. But here's what almost nobody tells you. The tingling, the numbness, the burning. Most of the time, it's not that your nerves are permanently broken. It's that they're not getting enough blood, and therefore not enough oxygen, to function properly. Fix the blood flow, and for many people, feeling can genuinely come back. As we age, and especially with conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, the smallest blood vessels in our body, the ones in our fingers and toes, farthest from our heart, are the first to lose circulation. Less blood reaching your feet means less oxygen reaching the nerves. And nerves that go without enough oxygen for long enough start sending confused signals. That's the tingling. That's the numbness. That's the burning that keeps so many seniors awake at night. Quick question before we continue. Does this happen to you mostly at night or during the day too? Comment below and let me know. I read every single comment, and it helps me understand what to cover next for you. All right, here is the 7-minute ritual. 4 simple steps, all backed by real circulation research, and you can do this tonight, right before bed. Step 1, warm water soak, 2 minutes. Fill a basin with warm, not hot, water, about the temperature of a comfortable bath. Add a half cup of Epsom salt if you have it. Soak your feet for 2 minutes. Here's why this matters. Warm water causes your blood vessels to naturally widen. Doctors call this vasodilation, which means more blood and more oxygen can reach the small nerves in your feet. Research on peripheral circulation confirms that even brief warm water exposure meaningfully increases blood flow to the extremities. This single step is often the reason people notice a difference in sensation just from doing this consistently. Step 2. Ankle and toe exercises, 2 minutes. While your feet are still slightly warm, sit in a chair and do this. Point your toes forward, then flex them back toward you, 10 times. Then rotate each ankle in slow circles, 5 times in each direction. These are sometimes called Burger Allen exercises, and they've been used in vascular medicine for decades specifically to improve blood flow to the legs and feet. The movement of the muscles around your ankles acts almost like a pump, physically pushing blood back up toward your heart and drawing fresh, oxygen-rich blood back down into your feet. Step 3. Upward massage, 2 minutes. Using a moisturizing cream or oil, massage each foot starting at your toes and working upward toward your ankle, always moving in the direction of your heart, never downward. This does 2 things. First, the physical pressure of massage stimulates circulation directly. Second, and this is something most seniors don't realize, keeping the skin on your feet moisturized prevents small cracks that can become dangerous entry points for infection, which is a real risk for anyone with reduced circulation or diabetes. Research on foot massage in older adults has shown measurable improvements in local blood flow and skin temperature with regular practice. Step 4. Elevate and breathe, 1 minute. Lie back and elevate your feet on a pillow, just slightly above the level of your heart. Take 5 slow, deep breaths. Elevating your feet helps drain fluid that pooled during the day, which further supports healthy circulation overnight. And the slow breathing isn't just relaxing. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which naturally supports healthy blood vessel function throughout your entire body, including those small vessels in your feet. One more thing worth mentioning. 2 nutrients show real promise for nerve health. Alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant, has been studied specifically for diabetic neuropathy. Clinical trials using around 600 milligrams daily showed improvement in nerve symptoms over several months. Vitamin B12, especially in older adults who often absorb it less efficiently, plays a direct role in nerve health, and a deficiency can worsen or even mimic neuropathy symptoms. A simple blood test can tell you if you're low. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication. I want to know, Which of these 4 steps do you think will be hardest to stick with every night? The soak, the exercises, the massage, or the elevation? Tell me in the comments, because building the habit matters more than doing it perfectly. Now, I have to be honest with you. This ritual can meaningfully support circulation and may ease mild tingling and numbness for many people. But neuropathy has several possible causes, and some of them need medical attention. Please see your doctor if you notice open sores or wounds on your feet that are slow to heal, if numbness is spreading rapidly, if you notice significant color changes in your skin, or if you have diabetes and haven't had a foot exam in the last year. Catching problems early is what protects your mobility long-term. Here's your plan starting tonight. Warm soak, ankle and toe exercises, upward massage, then elevate and breathe. 7 minutes. That's all it takes to start supporting the blood flow your feet have been missing. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up. It helps another senior dealing with this exact problem find it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because every week we bring you real, doctor-backed ways to feel better after 60. And tell me in the comments, are you going to try this ritual tonight? I read every comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of those feet.